Do we have a buy point for BED's energy? Today, I'm going to give you the whole strategy. And can we actually buy this stock right now? The first thing, this stock, it has been quite popular because Nancy Pelosi bought this stock and bought quite a lot. And so first thing, monthly chart, can we buy it here? If you are a super long-term trader, this is not the buy point basically. Here is the buy point because the red line change over. Okay, and this first one, the buy point, and because this go above zero and this going upward, this purple line, and we know institution come in. So basically here at that time, the highest price is 28. You can close your eyes to buy and you hold it, okay, until this candle. Basically, even you sell it at the lowest point, you selling at 160, and the highest price here is 300. Okay, so what happened is if you just long-term trader, you don't want to look at too much chart, you just use monthly chart. So this is not opportunity for you to buy. Another thing, how about weekly chart? So if you buy with monthly chart, if you see opportunity, you can hold it for few years usually, or even 10 years. For example, here, you buy for November. Basically, they change here, the sell signal is 226. So you hold it for a few years. So now we go back to weekly chart to see any opportunity here. So weekly chart, the time frame basically is from few months to a couple of years. It's quite short. Sorry, few week, usually a few week to few month. So this is weekly chart. So where is the buy point? The best buy point is when the red change upward and when we see YM chip entry. This tell you this is the big bottom because institution come in. But we can still add our position when they hit the blue and they serve as a support. They go up again. And here they touch the purple or the blue serve as a support, they go up again. One thing interesting is they serve as a blue here, for example, blue here, right? You can either buy on this candle, which you want to catch the lower price because they can serve as a support with green candle, not the red candle. What is the difference? It means you can go back to the red candle is it hasn't stopped to finish the drop, right? The green candle is finished, so you can buy. But we don't want to buy when they finish the candle because the next candle they have a big jump up. So the point is how to buy on this candle if you want to buy at the lows. If you're lazy, you follow this red when they change upward, you buy. If you want to buy this candle lowest price, when you touch here, you go to daily chart to see if they go above zero. They go above zero for the big volume trade, and the blue, we are above the blue. So I'm going to show you in a minute. So right now we use this purple and serve as a support here. And we did go above the red line. Instead of here, they did not go above the red line. So on this candle, how come actually Nancy Pelosi bought on this candle? She bought quite low price. Actually, she is not the one to operate the fund, it's her husband. So back to the point. Here is also a buy point here because we know money coming in here. Okay, this one not yet go upward because this one is a big institution holding. When the holding, the trend not yet change upward, this one will change first because money go in first. Okay, and so right now, if you close your eyes, this is one of the buy point for weekly chart. But if you want to buy at a little bit better price, you can change to daily chart in this week. Why? Because we know here is a support. So we go back. Today is Tuesday. So we go back here. Where is today? Basically from yesterday here. We go above the blue. But here, we not yet go above zero. We not yet go above this purple line. This purple actually is still going downward. Have you seen here? So the money is not very strong, to be honest. We do have they do come in, yes, but this is not strong. I repeat, this is not strong. The trend is still going downward. So what are we actually waiting for is money go above zero and this go upward, over this minimum have to touch this. Basically, this from pink to become red candle. When it's red candle, it means strong. You see, when this red, it basically go above this average here. Okay, so right now the money is not strong, so we can wait or serve a bit more because the trend is still downward. Number one, basically free line is downward, regular timeline, fast line, and long term we are downward. So we don't need to be rushed. Although today they have 6% up, but I don't want you to rush in. Okay, be patient a little bit. We need the money to get ready. And when we buy, they fly up. So this is the strategy. But if you're, and this technique, this weekly chart opportunity can give you few months profit. Okay. So basically, what happened here? If they really change the blue line here, basically the weekly chart is very likely the red line will change upward as well. Okay, if the daily chart do well, the weekly chart will do well. So this is the update today, and I will keep you update more for this stock because right now this stock is my one of the stock I'm following right now. So if you want to know more information, click like right now. If you want to have my indicator to have a easiest trading lifestyle, and click the link in the description to buy the whole subscription for my indicator. My indicator can tell you where institution come in and where is exactly the trend start to go up. We don't buy when they slide down. We buy when they go up here. Okay, and you can see also we have an extra signal called YM up down. This is a live signal. So they tell you up and down. We don't buy because of this signal. This is just additional signal to help you to make your decision here. This is a bonus signal. This is not a decision signal because this signal, sometimes they, for example here, they did not really happen exactly on the peak or exactly on the bottom, but they tell you where roughly is there. Okay, so this is the start of the down, this is the start of the down, this is the start of up, the up. But how to operate is based on the line here. Okay, and also we can have the information where institution come in so you know how to enter the stock very safely because we don't need to be that smart to do the trade. We just need to follow what is the institution doing and we follow the trend here, the money, the trend, and then you can make easy trade. Look at here. They basically following here and we don't sell when they change downward here, but we stop at 10 position for sure because institutions start to reducing and we sell when they drop below the red line. Is it clear? Then you sell at the relative high point. That's it. When we take the profit, we take the main fish body. We don't need to eat the every single dollar. We don't need to eat the fish head. We don't need to eat the fish tail because those are the difficult part. Okay, we just need to take the main profit. That's it. This is the main purpose. My purpose is to help you how to read the chart easily within few seconds. Boom, buy or sell or hold. Okay, so this is the update today. I hope you like this video. And the next video, click like, subscribe, share with your friend, and you give me the next video you want me to comment. See you next time. Bye.